Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. I have another special unboxing video to do. This is courtesy of Nomad Internet. Check them out. New internet on the market. Better than that T-Mobile deal. You can take this anywhere. You can stay off the grid. Great for camping. In any dead zones that you have. You can always improve on. Or just have a good backup internet service, because you never know. When our power goes out, this won't go out. So this will be a good one. We'll test it out and all that good stuff. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Here we go. Nomad Internet. Thank you guys for sending me this. I also got a free year internet use to test it out. This is a thing you're going to need to take with you on the road. Like I said, it comes with a travel case. Everything's in there. Everything you need to get started. All in the bag. One Nomad Air travel bag. Nomad Internet SIM card. Oh, I got my own password and name. And it shows like step by step how to set it up. Oh yeah. We'll figure this thing out. Definitely excited. If I was testing on the Xbox, see how that runs. Because I'll probably just keep that as my main internet for the Xbox for a year at least. Try it out. We got on the road. Oh, I already turned it on. Oh boy. So I got everything in the bag. Boom, boom, boom. So you got some good stuff in there. Maybe you could fit a few things. You got a side for maybe like a thumb drive, flash drive. Here is your my password for the internet. Another quick start. USB. Power. To charge it. It is wireless, so like I said, you could just take it on to go. This is great for people doing the mountains. Never lose internet. Power adapter case. Travel on the road with. So really nice bug out bag. And now here we go. So I already looked at power. And now here is the router. And Seagull. All that good stuff there. Here we go. Reset the LAN. So you hook it up that way. Look at this beast. This is a bad boy. That's how much battery you got left. You can plug many things, desktop, laptops, you name it, Xbox. So we're gonna be testing this thing out. Nomad Internet. Definitely excited. You get a switch. It's on right now. Turn it off. It's off. So we got all that there. And let's see. It's the same passwords, yeah. So you get an extra micro type USB. You can use it, charge it up as a power bank. Yeah, you can charge your phone, your tablet, your laptop, desktop, iPad, whatever you use. You can use them all. And step 1, take your Nomad Air modem out of the box and plug your power cord into the power port on the back of your Air. Now plug it into the wall. Okay, so we'll do that next. Wait 30 minutes while your Nomad Air locks onto the best tower in your area. During this time, the LED indicator will blink white. Once the Air has locked onto the closest tower, the LED will be either green or blue. Ensure your modem is free of obstructions and place in or near a window for optimal connection. See, I'm all set. I got plenty of window here, 3 windows. Okay. The SIM card is pre-installed in the modem. Please do not remove the SIM unless asked by the tech support. You can pay your bills over at nomadinternet.com or member.nomadinternet.com. But once you click my link, if you want to order one of these right now, I have it shipped up, ready to go, and all shebang. Pick your plan, all that good stuff. We'll probably go over the plans at the end of the video. I'll add it in. So, if you want to just take a look yourself, though, click that link, and you'll check them out. So, definitely excited for this one, guys. First time doing an internet unboxing, I guess. But hey, we'll give it a shot. It looks pretty cool. Nice little bag. Some goodies. I think we're ready to rock. Not sure there's an app. I think there's an app. Should be an app. Everybody has an app these days. Alright guys, I got it all set up right now. It's good to go. I just gotta click on the app. It is the Nomad Internet app. Plugged it in. And if you want to go on the road, make sure that's fully charged. Your power brick. It's pretty heavy, that part is. But this is super light. We got the app right here. Email sign up and all that good stuff. I'm going to do that right now. Sign up. I think it's better than T-Mobile's thing they got going on now. So, but if you want to take this on the road with you, you can go anywhere in the U.S. and you'll have full stream internet. You can stream your movies, gaming, do pretty much anything on your phone, laptop, desktop, you name it. This does it all. Nomad Internet. They have entry plans you can buy. Basic one is $49.95 a month. It's built-in wireless C-band. Works even where your cell phone doesn't. C-band is specifically designed to work in rural areas. No contracts, no credit check, no cancellation fees. Truly unlimited internet. No data cap, no throttle. And then they have the 200 Mbps wireless unlimited ultra internet. $69.95. Turbocharged internet that powers rural, multi-floor rural homes and travelers with smart devices and streaming on multiple screens, once with speeds up to 200 Mbps. It has the same thing, built-in wireless C-band. So this is like a little package you get once you sign up. And like I say, you can take it on the road. It comes with a travel, like a bug out bag. Really nice. It fits everything that you need. You can add other stuff like thumb drives, memory, backup hard drives, pretty deep pockets. A really nice travel. Here's the inside. Got it good. And here's the power adapter. Make sure it's charged when you get it, so you'll have it if you take it out. Maybe a weekend camping trip or a getaway. You'll have internet to do your work. Let's leave that on right there. Let me wipe the screen. There we go, a little bit better. So Internet Nomad, this is pretty heavy. There is an app to download. You got USB ports, so you can hook up your desktop, laptop, you name it, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, pretty much everything. Steam Deck. And then this has a power button. I gotta plug it into something. But right now, it does work. I already tested it out. It's gonna drive me nuts. There we go. So we got that looking there. And then it comes with a power supply. USB. Another USB Type-C. And the power adapter is down there. There's a modem or the router. I know I showed you the bottom because it has all the info. Really nice. There's a SD card right in there. Don't take it out. That's part of the internet. So we are good to go. It's blinking blue. Basic startup. It's simple. Once you get it out of the box, put it by a window so it can pick up on the towers. And then once it picks up the towers, it'll flash white. And then about 30 minutes or so, it'll start doing the blue. That means you're fully connected. Like I said, there's an app to it. Nomad Internet, it's called. So once you go to your iOS or Google Play, type in Nomad Internet. It'll pop up something like this. Nomad Internet. Just press that button right there. Manage your modem. I gotta keep it down because of my info. And once you log in, log out, stuff like that, you can set up the password. They'll email the confirmation. You'll be good to go. You can see the traffic. It hasn't been a full day yet, so I mean, it'll pick up once it's going. But yeah, so far the speeds are really good. I did the gaming already on it with the Xbox and really impressed with this. So this is going to be a good backup in case your internet goes out at home due to storms. You never know, especially like in the East Coast now with New Jersey, New York. They got severe flooding. So you don't have to worry about your power going out. You'll have this as a good backup. You can still, use your cell phone and charge your phone with this. You can do that. So yeah, Nomad Internet, really good deal. And like I said, you can take this anywhere in the US and have strong signal to watch movies, do whatever you need to do. And yeah, perfect for anybody, especially the ones that like to travel. All you vloggers out there now. So definitely gonna need something like this, especially for the music people. Pretty much anybody that now these days, we're in the computer century now. So definitely cool stuff. Like I said, I'll leave my affiliate link down below. Click on that. All you gotta do is select a plan, and once you select your plan, they'll ship this to you, and everything is good to go. So like I said, no credit checks, no stuff like that. If you need internet, this is a good way to go. Not too many wires, you don't have to plug it in, everything. But if you have like Xbox, you can run an Ethernet, just plug it in there. So either or you can do. And yeah, check them out. Be safe. Have a good weekend.